Ever wondered about the benefits of mustard oil? This golden liquid derived from the tiny seeds of the mustard plant is a staple in many global cuisines and an age-old natural remedy. It originates from regions where mustard plants are native, such as the Mediterranean, Northern Africa, and parts of Asia. Mustard oil is known for its distinct pungent flavor and is commonly used in cooking to add a unique zing to dishes. But the uses of mustard oil extend far beyond the kitchen. It's also praised for its numerous health benefits, thanks to its rich content of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These are the good fats that our bodies need for optimal functioning. From enhancing the taste of your food to nourishing your body inside and out, mustard oil is indeed a versatile marvel. So now that we know what mustard oil is, let's delve into its myriad benefits. Imagine having a natural way to improve your skin and hair health. Mustard oil, a kitchen staple in many cultures, is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are beneficial for the health of your skin and hair. For instance, mustard oil can stimulate hair growth. It nourishes the scalp, promotes healthy hair follicles, and can even reduce hair fall. The magic doesn't stop at your tresses. Mustard oil can also enhance your skin health. It has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin, reducing redness and swelling. It's also a boon for your complexion, helping to even out skin tone and adding a natural glow. Plus, its emollient properties make it an excellent natural moisturizer, keeping your skin soft and supple. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your skin and hair health, mustard oil may be the answer. But what happens inside your body when you consume mustard oil? Packed with anti-inflammatory properties, mustard oil can significantly reduce inflammation in the body. This golden liquid is a natural remedy for swelling and discomfort, offering relief from conditions like arthritis. But that's not all. This versatile oil also supports heart health. It's a champion in reducing bad cholesterol levels, while boosting the good cholesterol. This balance helps in maintaining a healthy heart, shielding it from conditions like atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. And it doesn't stop there. Mustard oil is a secret weapon for digestion too. It stimulates the production of digestive juices, aiding in smoother digestion and reducing issues like constipation. For those who wrestle with asthma, mustard oil can be a game changer. It helps in controlling symptoms, providing some much-needed respite. Clearly, consuming mustard oil can have numerous benefits for your internal health. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, don't forget to reach out for that bottle of mustard oil. And did you know that mustard oil can also be used externally? Yes, indeed. This vibrant oil isn't just great for your internal health, but it also has a host of benefits when applied externally. For instance, mustard oil is a fantastic choice for massages. It can help relieve muscle pain and improve blood circulation, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and relaxed. So after a long day, consider unwinding with a soothing mustard oil massage. But that's not all. Mustard oil possesses potent antifungal properties. This means it can be used to treat various fungal infections, offering a natural and effective solution. And if you're bothered by pesky insects, mustard oil can come to your rescue once again. Due to its strong aroma, it can act as a natural insect repellent. So from skin and hair health to internal health and external uses, mustard oil truly is a versatile oil with numerous benefits.
Thanks for watching Body Blaster Insights. If you enjoyed today's insights, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's build a positive community together. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep thriving.